Welcome! In this tutorial, we'll walk you through how to set up a complete integration between Outgrow and Webflow. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure you have everything ready. You'll need an Outgrow account, a Webflow account, a live Outgrow calculator or quiz, and a Webflow project where you'd like your lead data to be stored. Now, log into your Outgrow account and open the live content piece you want to integrate with Webflow. Once you're inside the builder, navigate to the Configure tab and click on Integrations. Under Native Integrations, you'll find Webflow. Click on the Configure button. A configuration window will open. Click on Authenticate with Webflow to connect your Webflow account. On the next screen, log into your Webflow account and authorize the connection. Once your account is successfully connected, you'll see two setup options: Proceed with Project, Proceed with Segment. You'll also notice the Configure Visit Trigger option. If enabled, this allows visitor details to be sent to Webflow even before a lead form is submitted. If you'd like to organize leads based on specific audience groups or outcomes, choose Proceed with Segment. And if you want all leads to be sent to a single Webflow project, choose Proceed with Project. In this step, select the Webflow project where you would like your Outgrow leads to be added. Next, map your Outgrow fields and responses to the corresponding fields in Webflow, such as job title and company name. Once you're done, click on Test Connection and finish it to activate the integration. And that's it. Your Outgrow and Webflow integration is now live. Once the integration is configured, you'll also have access to additional actions such as reconfigure if you need to reconnect your account or switch to a different Webflow account, and deactivate if you want to temporarily stop sending leads to Webflow. And there you have it. You've successfully connected Outgrow with Webflow and automated your lead collection workflow. Ready to streamline lead management? Start integrating Outgrow with Webflow today and turn every interaction into actionable data.